This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jan Moore. This cozy 2-bedroom 1-bath home is near the Ocmulgee River with Statham Shoals boat ramp just around the corner. It comes with furnishings. The property has 2 additional 100 by 100 lots that offer so much potential to make camper camping sites, or additional homes for rental income, or gardening, or space for animals. There is a boat storage building and an additional storage building with a fish cleaning station. The screened front porch is a nice retreat to enjoy the quiet surroundings. For more information, review the details below or contact Jan Moore at 229-273-4132.